Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a quick look at the game Neverball, and you can install it from the Debian repository. And as you can see here, it's quite easy to install, and if you want to play with a gamepad, there are instructions to try to get that working. So you can change the slope of a labyrinth with your mouse, and that way you can move the ball to collect coins. So I'm testing it on the Muse Pi Pro with the SpaceMid K1, and it has limited OpenGL support, but it does have a working Vulkan driver. So yeah, here it says it uses OpenGL. And yeah, I had some issues to get it started, and if you start it from here, then you won't see the error message. So I'm starting it from the command line, and then you can see it has an OpenGL issue. Now, as I said, we have a Vulkan driver, so we can try it with Zink. So let's start it like this. So let's check the options. So I changed the resolution. Well, or you can just choose full screen, and then apparently it just automatically chooses the resolution. Yeah. So, but if you want to play it at a lower resolution, then don't use full screen. And that's all I changed. So let's play a level.
Ready, set, go.
So I guess it starts really easy. Well, I did also choose easy, but as you can see here, they can make the labyrinths quite complicated. So
Ready, set, go.
well, anyway, I guess you get the idea of the game.
Select.
And yeah, I'm still finding interesting games in the Debian repository, and that means that a lot of them also work on RISC-V. So I think I'll be digging through that repository and see what else, what other kind of interesting games I'll be able to find. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.